Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert MBR format of hard disk to GPT format of hard disk during Windows installation. So first of all, you have to press Shift plus F10 key to open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type diskbar and press the enter key. After that, type list disk. After that, type select disk 0 to select it. When the disk is selected, type clean. Then the disk will be clean. Then the last step is to type convert GPT. As you press the enter key, the disk will be converted to GPT format. Now type exit to exit this part, and then again type exit to exit the command prompt. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.